I found this little idea floating around my head today, and I just had to paint it. It gave me a great excuse to break out some of my granulated paints that I don't always get a chance to play with. And while I'm on the subject of play, even though I paint for several hours a day some days as part of my art business, I still need little breaks like this where I can play with paint. With no expectation of the outcome. And no pressure to be informative or educational or even that interesting. One of my favorite artists, Vasily Kandinsky, famously said, "Lend your ears to music, open your eyes to painting, and stop thinking. Just ask yourself whether the work has enabled you to walk about into a hitherto unknown world. If the answer is yes, what more do you want?" I hope you enjoy this walkabout into an unknown, completely made-up world with me.